Hi, welcome to the Affinity Users Collaborative. This is going to be the first video in a series of, well, at least 3 videos to give you an introduction to the different Affinity apps. I'll make one video for Publisher, which is this one here. And then I'll make a second video that will be for Designer and a third one for Photo. And these videos are just to give you an overview of the interface. So if you're somebody who's new to Affinity, either new to all design software in general, and Affinity's your first dive into designing stuff, or if you're coming from another software app, like maybe you've been using PowerPoint or maybe Canva, which is entirely different for its interface anyways. Or maybe you've been doing Adobe and you're trying to just figure out where things are at in Affinity. So that's what these 3 videos are. Perhaps after I create these, we'll have some other videos that I'll add to the collection of just in the theme of getting you started. So you can reference these. And then when we're doing tutorials in the sessions, the live sessions, you'll know where to find things and can follow along with me easier. One of the things I will cover in each of these introduction things is how I set up my Affinity desktop, because I move things which are called studio panels into different places than are the defaults, and so I'll show you how to change your desktop so it looks like mine and that kind of thing. So this is the intro for these 3 videos, and so let's get started.